Love your videos, man.
Thanks,
Good to see
homie.
you. Yeah, we Chief represent. What's good?
What's going on, buddy?
Not much, bro.
You got room for me today?
We should, yeah.
Okay. We got the big idea from this gentleman over here. Thanks, mister.
Middle of the winter, I pull up in a vert. It's the middle of December, she pulled up in a skirt. Santa Claus of the hood, I pull up with the work. They call me East Atlanta Santa, run up on me, get murked. I'm just trapping through the snow.
This is just gonna fall out. All that needs to come out, so now I gotta beat the fuck out of it. I can't believe I was driving on that. This is what it's supposed to look like. After some relentless pounding, I finally got it out almost. And now it's in, and now my car will drive properly. All I have left to do is every other bushing. Now it's time. Son of a bitch. Time to do the front control arm bushings. Kind of glad the neighbors aren't home for this one. Oh. I broke it again. This isn't even gonna be hot enough. Not even close. I live in the suburbs trying to do goddamn hillbilly shit. So obviously the strap didn't work. But you know what always works? The fire. You just heat that up. Well, it's on there, but I didn't put it on. Coach Codes, buddy. I got solid ones coming tomorrow. That was an accident. Yeah, aside from seeing perfectly, they're also quiet and not annoying. Deck delete, obviously. The heat has to work. Hold on. Just turn this off for a second. The headliner is in really good shape.
There's a hole.
Oh, we did the back window delete. Oh. I hope anything weird doesn't happen.
Oh my gosh.
Shit.
The back end broke loose.
Yeah, there you go. Dry spots. Yeah. Holy, I'm out of control. Water to snow. that.
I'll get the quad to tandem.
Should we get the quad to tandem?
Tandem with us. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Overtakes us.
Overtake me. Oh shit, a sign. Super stuck.
We really didn't make it home now.
Let's see. Oh, okay. How do we get out of this mess? I told the guy on a fucking Cedar Hill with he drove it in through a swamp.
Big Salter's coming.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, thank you again.
Take care. That took all of our speed.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, we're hot. The car's hot.
Oh,
We were so close, Colton. We were so close to home. That's fine. We were so close. Notice the heat gauge is not even all the way hot yet.
Oh, fuck.
BMW. That thing's still recording.
Yeah.
Broken. The whole radiator just blew up, dude.
Oh,
Look at that. Holy shit, I've never seen one come apart like that before. It wasn't even that hot.
I think after you hit a ditch going 160.
Well, there's air moving through there. When I left my home today, I didn't expect I was going to be pulling my own car back.